Steel presents How to Hide Your Satellite Receiver in an AV Network Closet, also known as Keeping the Clutter Out of the Living Room. We have built an AV network closet in your home. Inside your closet is a door that opens to the wall cavity that we use for a wiring cavity. Ta-da! We also installed a patch panel inside your network closet. The patch panel gives us a place to terminate our Ethernet wires, HDMI, phone wires when we don't use a 66 block, etc. We also terminate the coax wires that are not used for the satellite install at the patch panel. We've ran two coax from where the satellite dish will be mounted to the wiring cavity in the AV network closet. We decided to wire for a TV in the following locations: living room, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and the back porch. Purple lines represent coax we've run from the wiring cavity in the AV network closet to each TV location. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. This coax wire is not used for the satellite install. So we will remove it from the diagram for this video. Bye-bye, coax. We will use an HDMI cable to send the data from the satellite receiver in the network closet to the living room TV instead of the coax cable. The white line represents the Class 2 HDMI cable that we ran from the patch panel in the AV network closet to the main TV and is ready to be used by the installer. If the wiring distance from the closet to the living room TV is greater than 50 feet, then we have to run two Cat5e wires so we can use a balloon to send the HDMI signal over the two Cat5e wires. You need your TVs in place in order for the satellite installer to install your satellite. So make sure you bring your TVs and have them ready. Now, we have everything ready for the satellite install to be scheduled. The satellite dish installation overview. When you order your satellite service, request an RF, that's radio frequency, remote control. An RF remote will control the satellite receiver when the receiver is out of sight of the remote control. If you have an IR infrared remote control already, it's still possible to hide the satellite receiver in a closet and control it from the living room. I will cover that topic in another video. Our satellite installer will mount the dish outside. Installer will install his splitter in the closet wall wiring cavity. Installer will place the satellite receiver DVR on a shelf in the closet. He will run a short coax from his splitter in the wall wiring cavity to the satellite receiver DVR. In the closet, he will connect the patch panel port labeled Living Room HDMI to the satellite receiver DVR with a 3-foot long HDMI cord that he provides. In the master bedroom, he will connect the coax to a satellite mini or Joey. Then he connects the satellite mini or Joey to the TV with an HDMI that he provides. Then he tucks the satellite mini or Joy behind the TV out of sight. And then he does the same thing for the second bedroom. And he does the same thing for the third bedroom. And you guessed it, he does the same thing for the back porch if you have a TV on your back porch. The satellite is now viewable and controllable with RF in all TV locations if you have an RF remote control. No equipment is showing at any TV. Reminder, there must be an electrical outlet behind each TV. And that's how to hide the satellite receiver DVR out of sight in an AV network closet.